Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Last week I made a video about AIPP Atlantic Immigration Pilot Programs where I mentioned about how the AIPP PR program is one of the best PR programs of Canada for the low skilled workers, right? And I also mentioned in that video that in my next video I will show you how to find a job for AIPP, right? So guys, here we are today and I'm definitely going to show you all that things, okay? But before we do that, first of all, what we need is that we need to find out who are the designated employers for the Atlantic provinces, right? For the AIPP program. Let's find out. I will take you to my computer right now, okay? Alright friends, here you can see the web page. This is the official web page of Atlantic Immigration Programs from the Government of Canada. Alright, and the link of this page I will give you in the video description, okay? And here you can see Atlantic Immigration Program, right? And they have given all the information about the program. Just you scroll down. And then at the very down, you will see here, you are an employer at Atlantic Canada or something like that. Information is given. Here you see the 4 provinces of the Atlantic provinces are given here down, right? So let's click now, number 1, New Brunswick. Let's do New Brunswick first, right? Let's click here, New Brunswick. And then you will click here, New Brunswick. And then you will get it. So here, so this is the New Brunswick, okay, official web page, all right? And then you scroll down here, and when you scroll down all the way down here, after the overview, you will see here download PDFs, okay? So when you click this download PDF, you will get a new page open like this one. See here, so New Brunswick Immigration, and this is the scroll down, and this is here where you will see here, you see the list of all the designated employers, okay? So these are the companies, all right, in New Brunswick, and they are the one certified from the Government of Canada to hire foreign workers, okay? So these are the companies only can hire foreign workers, all right? So you have to contact these companies. Okay, now you see guys, the list is given, the name of the companies is given there, right, in the New Brunswick official web page. But there is no any phone number, there is no any email contact, and nothing. Now I will gonna show you how you can reach out to them, how you can find a job in these companies, okay? Let's watch. Now to find a job, what we will do is, first of all, we will copy the name of the company, okay? So let's say here, this is the company here. I'll just copy here, Admiral Glass Limited, the glass company. I will copy this one here, and I will go to Indeed. Okay, so in Indeed here, in the search bar, copy paste that. We'll just paste here. And then in the province here, we'll select New Brunswick, and you type New Brunswick right here. Okay, so, and then we hit find job. Okay, so now here you see, and the Indeed shows the result. Right now there are 2 job vacancies, right? You can see here, first one is clerk, general office clerk. As soon as you click here, office clerk, you will see on the right hand side the details are given here, right? Admiral Glass Limited, Fredericton, $23 to $25 an hour. It's a full-time permanent role, right? And you can scroll down, you can see more about the jobs. Full job description is given here, and education, all the required information they have given here, right? And likewise, there's another job vacancy. You can see here, auto glass installer, right? Click that one, and also you'll see the detail on the right hand side. $28 to $30 an hour, permanent role, part-time role, full-time role is available, right? And all the detail, dental care, health care, vision care, all these things is given here. Yeah, so one thing that's very important is that it's not necessary that all those companies, designated employers, designated companies will have a job vacancies. There will be some job posting from the company. It's not necessarily, okay? Some company may have a job vacancies at this time. Some company may not have a job vacancy at that time. So all you need to do is that one by one do a job search, okay? Or else what also you can do is that what is your field of work, right? Your industry, your sector. Make a list of company, all right? From all the designated companies list, just make a short list. All the companies which is related to your work field, right? And then start searching the job, so that you're not randomly searching jobs on any companies, right? It may not be, right? Some companies may not qualify for you, right? Yeah, so as according to your field of work, make a list and then start searching the job, okay? And this thing, like you keep on doing it every after a 15 or 10 days interval, right? The company may have a vacancy after 15 days, never know, right? Yeah, so these things you keep on doing. I know it's a very painstaking, it's a very boring thing, something I could say, but again, it's a matter of again in life, it's a matter of getting a job, because you never know, right? So that's why, my advice, keep on doing, okay? Yeah. So likewise, same process you have to do to Nova Scotia and also to the different other provinces also, okay? And guys, another very important relation is that to find a job, finding a job is also not a solution, okay? Another important thing is that when you send your CV also need to be candidate format, okay? It has to be as according to like ATS friendly. Here in Canada, all the CVs are must be designed, must be created as according to candidate format, which is ATS friendly. If you don't know how to make an ATS friendly CV, I have a dedicated video which I have already made long time ago, right? I will provide the link of that video in the video description. Watch that video and you can create the ATS friendly CV by yourself, okay? And another thing is that don't send CV alone, all right? You also send a cover letter for along with the CV, okay? You attach cover letter, all right? So in this way, it looks more professionalism, and then it's more better, okay? So send CV and a cover letter, all right? And another thing is that doesn't matter how long is your CV, okay? Try to mention as much as possible all the details, your work experience, work history, or different other skills. Try to mention what other skills you have, okay? Right, so mention all those things and send your CV, all right, friends, this is the simple thing, this is the simple process how to find a job in AIPP for Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program, okay? I hope you guys found it easy and more effective way, okay? And in the next video, I will come up with some other PR programs of Canada, some other immigration related news and updates, okay? And for today, thank you very much for your time and watching the video. I will see you in the next video with another interesting content. Until then, take care, have a good day, bye-bye.